map I worked on with my friends. Needs work. These were full of silverfish blocks, and we would be in there. Then when we hit when we let the pistons up, they would be able to escape, and they would come in after us, and we would survive. After we're done with this map, we'll probably... I'm sure I'll make a video after we're done with it.